You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. First, cut the back part. Then cut the front part with a split. Sew side seams of front and back. Cut each circle like this. Sew all 4 circles into one long line. Then, finish the bottom of the skirt. Sew the bottom seam and 2 vertical edges. You can also fold and sew the bottom edge, if you don't have baby lock option. Measure elastic to your waist before sewing. Pin the skirt evenly to your elastic waist. Stretch the elastic part while sewing. Sew top and bottom part of the skirt. Start pinning the fabric from the middle of the split. Overlap, just a little bit. Sew this seam. Good luck!